angels, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about the new Make Me Blush liquid blushes from YSL. I picked up 3 shades. There are 6 shades in total. I picked up the shades Peach Nude, Nude Lavalier and Berry Bang. And in this video I'm going to try the blushes on my cheeks, and at the end I'm going to give you my final thoughts. But let's start to talk about the packaging, because I think the packaging is beautiful. This is the packaging, and out of all my liquid blushes, this is the most beautiful and luxurious packaging. I think it's so nice. It's aesthetically pleasing and it feels quite sturdy on the hand, so the packaging is perfect. It has a doe foot applicator, which has a quite good size, and you get quite a bit of a product on the applicator, so that's nice. You get 15 ml amount of product. In the Armani one you get 12 ml. In the Hourglass one you get 10.3 ml, and in the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light ones you get 12 ml as well. So you get the most product in the YSL one, which is nice. So what are the key claims on the YSL website? It's written that the product melts seamlessly onto skin. It's weightless and highly pigmented. It has a non-sticky, non-creasing texture. It's not going to disturb the makeup underneath, and it has a soft matte finish and 12 hours of wear. So we are going to test if the claims are right or wrong, and I'm going to start to show you the swatches of the shades I have. Now these are the swatches. This is the Nude Lavalier, this is a Peach Nude, and this is a Berry Bang. Berry Bang is quite a strong and dark color, but I wanted to try how it looks on my light to medium skin, so we are going to see if it works or not. But it's a beautiful shade, I think. So now we are going to start with the demo. Now I already have this product since yesterday, so I played a little bit with them, and I can tell you these blushes are very, very, very pigmented. So don't put the applicator right onto your cheeks. Put a little bit on your hand, and then work the product into your brush, and then apply it to your cheeks, because it's going to be too harsh on your skin. I'm going to start with the shade Peach Nude, and you see it dries so fast. You have to really work fast to get a nice blend. So this is the amount I would wear, and you see it does has a quite matte finish. It's right away matte, like there is no luminosity in this blush. If you see any luminosity, then it comes from the foundation, because the blush is straight on matte. I'm going to put on a little bit more so you can see it better. So this is Peach Nude. Now I'm going to try on the Nude Lavalier on the other side. Now this shade is much softer than the Peach Nude, but it's still quite highly pigmented, so yeah. This is the Peach one. This is the Nude Lavalier one. The shades are beautiful, but they are so highly pigmented. You have to be very, very careful with the amount of product you are using, especially if you are as light as I am, or even lighter. With a medium or tan skin, I think it's going to be easier, but on lighter skin, be careful actually. And I'm not sure if these shades would work for darker colors. They are quite pigmented, so they're going to you are going to see them on darker skin tones, but I don't think the shades are going to suit darker skin tones. Now I'm going to remove that, put a little bit of foundation on again, and then I'm going to show you the last shade I have, the Berry Bang one. Be very, very careful with this shade. Now we will see how it looks. You see how strong of a color it is? And the other side. So this is the berry shade on my light medium complexion, and yeah, it's quite a strong color. I like it. I think it's a nice shade, and I think in fall it's going to be very pretty, but I have to be very careful. Now, what are my thoughts about this liquid blushes from YSL? Now, I want to start with saying that in general, I'm loving liquid blushes, bronzers, and highlighters. Most of the time, they have a very luminous or skin-like finish, and they look very natural and beautiful, juicy, youthful on the skin. So I'm very into this kind of product. But these YSL ones are different. They have a soft matte finish. Now, the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light ones, they have a soft matte finish as well, but this is actually a soft matte finish. This one's from YSL, they are too matte for me. I think they are just too matte because they don't look youthful or nice and healthy on the skin. They are just too matte on the cheek, so I'm not very into that. And the pigmentation is so strong. It's such a strong pigmented blush, and it dries very, very fast. So you can't, because of the amount of pigmentation, you can't put it just on your cheeks because it's going to be too much color on your cheeks. You have to put a little bit on your hand and then work it into your brush and then apply it on your cheeks. But when you're doing that, you have to be very, very fast because this formula dries very, very fast. So if you're not fast enough, it's going to be patchy and it's not going to blend on your skin beautifully. So I think this is not user-friendly at all. I think the Charlotte Tilbury one is much more user-friendly because you have time to blend and the color payoff is not as strong. Now when it comes to color payoff, the Rare Beauty one, for example, they do have such a strong color payoff as well, but they blend more easy. But I'm not very into the colors of the Rare Beauty ones. I have two ones, but they are completely different colors than this one, so I'm not going to swatch them for you. But when it comes to color payoff, I want to talk about this red one from Armani because this is such a strong color payoff as well. But you can easily work with this one because it blends so nicely. You have time to blend it. You put this line, the smallest dot on your hand and apply it on your cheeks, and it looks just beautiful and healthy, and the finish is so nice. And this one wears as beautifully as this one, so the amount of hours the blush stays on your cheeks is quite similar, but the finish of the Armani one is much nicer. I think even on oily skin this finish is prettier, but you have to be into really matte finishes to like the YSL ones. Now on the website, this product looks like a soft matte finish similar to the Charlotte Tilbury one, and that's the reason why I bought them, but they are not soft matte, they are matte. So these are my thoughts about the YSL blushes. Please tell me, what do you think about them? Do you are going to buy them? And if you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing, and I hope I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye!